yayisirwe Bright and Common Ground from IFDC ahamwe na ISSD egenderire okureba ngo yabasa kweraho abahingi abari kurenga emitwari 10 okuruga omucyanga ekya Renzori okuba kubasa kumanya emiringo mirungi yo kuhinga ahamwe no kuba kubasa kumanya okuba tine kuteganisibwa entebereza ahamwe na nempinda hinduka yobwire.
Launch a project dubbed Bright, and this project is focusing on farmers living in highland areas. We are building on our past projects that have done similar work. However, the unique thing about Bright is that it is bringing on board a holistic approach. And the holistic approach, I mean that we are looking at households in all aspects. Can a household conserve the soils that they are having? Yes, we understand that our households, all our communities have small plots, and therefore they cannot produce enough. So one of the things that Bright project is looking at is to build the capacity of households to have interventions for these small plots to have more productivity.
Okurijirira ahari Nyangoma Beatrice or communications manager wa IFDC nagira ngo okushagika abahinja aba nibija kuba nibo bashagika mu miringo etari kushana ngo kuba yambaho okutebekanisa emyanya yabo yo kuhingamo okukorenchwamo ezishire ngo kandi abahinji nibija no garuka batunge obukugu obundi ahabikwatirine nempinda hinduka ezebyobuhangwa n'obo kubasa kubirinda otireho narugaruka kutunga amagezi okubine kureba ngo nibija kuhinga bagaruke batunga obutare.
Here we are looking at different value chains. We are looking at the potato. That is why you saw the minister talking about issues of the seed in the seed sector, but we also have other value chains. So depending on the community, what they are mostly dealing in is what we are going to promote. If it is maize, coffee, beans, we support them in that particular intervention. We are not giving them what to do, but through various studies, we've got to know that, for example, in Mount Elgon, there is a lot of coffee farming. In Renzori, we have maize. So we support households depending on their value chains.
Project eji neja kuba negendera ahabukugu bakugendera ahabantu abakoziseho emiringo nkeji erimu okutebekanisa emisiri okutunga embibonongizo kuhinga eziri kugumira buri bwire otireho no kushanga ngo nibija kuhaburwa bakibwa amagezi okuba kubasa kutunga obutare kandi bukagumaho kandi nabo bakabasa kuganyura mu cyango awugira ngo emiringo eji yakozesibwa mu mahanga nka Burundi, Mozambique, South Africa ahamwe na South Sudan. Proguramu eji omuringo ogweri kwisha kukora kija kweraho ahabahinji okubasa kukora ahanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe nko kunyangoma ari kweyongera kushoborera.
Produce, we are going to link households to markets, access to markets. That's another component that we are working on, and we are doing this with partner organizations, including Agritera, that is looking at having farmers going to farm groups, going to cooperatives, but also we have the aspect of access to financial inclusion. Yes, it is one thing having the produce, it is one thing being part of a cooperative or a group, but the moment you do not have finances to liquidate your cooperatives or groups, we shall be lagging behind. So one of
ayo consolanta olikuruga o ministry y'obuhingi nagira ngo bakwatanise n'ebitongore ebitari bya government abahingi nibija kubasa kutunga amagezi gatari gamwe na gamwe no kukozesa emiringo ya teknolojiya etari kushana omu by'obuhingi. Eki nagira ngo nikija kubasa kuhweraho abantu abo bukweta extension workers okubasa kushitama n'abantu okusinga kugira ngo bagume offices zabo babase kubasyaho obukugu kibase kwera abahingi okuba kubasa kumaraho ebizibu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebari kubugana omirimo yabo.
On the technologies, the ICT system that is coming up, you and me will agree that we are in a technology era. In the technology era, if we try to strengthen the e-agriculture, the e-agriculture helps us to, you know, the extension worker can at least sit within his office and the rest after building capacity and strengthening the team and be able to monitor from a distance. But that alone is also not enough, considering the structure of our farming system. That means what we need now more also than ever is organizing farmers. If we have our farmers organized into cooperatives, it is easier because within the cooperatives there are many farmers that come in together.
Amakura gagasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki.